If you're somebody who has to drive to Home Depot or Lowe's 15 times in a project because you didn't have the right screw size, or you can't find X thing, or you're somebody who keeps everything because you know you'll need it, but then you can't find it when you actually need it, this is a concept for you. We've got a quick tip for you today. You may be familiar with Home Depot, but I want to introduce you to a concept that Brian and I affectionately call House Depot. So we acquire a lot of things in doing these handy projects, and the important part about that is keeping it organized. Because if we don't keep things organized, we can't find them, then it's almost pointless having them anyway. And if everything is a giant mess, then you don't really even want to start projects. You don't want to go find the things that you need. So this is really important for us. And the first thing we'd like to show you in our House Depot is our shoe organizers. We use these to store anything from wood putty to caulks to, we have our car cleaner stuff in here. We have pest control, anything that we need to have easily accessible that's kind of awkward to store anywhere else. That's what we put in these.